Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. I hope my voice is going pretty well, pretty good. Today we are going to appear for 492 weekly contest and last contests were pretty bad for me. Oh, last contests were not good for me because look at my rating. So I was at 1638, then I got like 1631, then 48, and then like 1630 and like 1627. So like from 48 I'm at 27. So 48 minus 27 is like 21 ka decrease hai, which is a lot. Also I need to like perform extremely good. Just for the 21 more. Come on, let's go. Yeah, ready. Hello, welcome to the stream. Last few contests were pretty bad because like I got a negative rating, but now I don't know. Let's start the contest. Yep, let's join now. Minimum capacity box. You're given an integer array capacity where capacity I will represent the capacity of IS box and an integer item size representing the size of the item. Hello. The IS box can store the item if the capacity item size representing the size of the item. Cool. The ith box can store the item if capacity of I is greater than equal to item size and denoting the number index of the box with the minimum capacity that can store the item. If multiple such boxes you return the smallest index. Return an integer denoting the index of the box with the minimum capacity that can store the item. Okay. If no box can store, okay, makes sense. So like uh int. So I want something like int mini equals int max. Hello bro, sorry, I'm like, let me first do like this question and then like for int I equals 0 as less than uh capacity dot size I plus. Now if capacity of I, okay, is greater than equal to item dot size, in that case ith box can fit, but in that case, int that case mini would be what? Minimum of what is it is, and then uh, capacity of I, right? Because I want the return the integer denoting the index of the box with the minimum capacity that can store. If multiple such box exist, return the smallest index. Okay. So okay. If no box can store the item, just return the -1 index. Okay. So like इसके साथ एक IDX भी स्टोर कर लेते हैं -1. So what I want is like if IDX equals -1, then you just simply do mini of capacity of I. Cool. Else if this is not -1, so कुछ तो already है, and in that case if capacity of I is less than uh, a mini, then you do like mini equals capacity, because I want the minimum one, and at the same time I would like to update the IDX to this I, and just like return IDX. I guess this should like work. For 157 it says -1. Wow. So capacity is greater than, no, if capacity of I is greater than item dot size, and फिर उसके अंदर आया if index equals -1, then it's like just put the capacity mini equals capacity of I and index equals I. Else हाँ ठीक है. How do I like control yeah ठीक है. We have like 3. Okay, and we have like 0. Yeah, let's go. And we have like 4, which gives me item sizes 5. Okay, output -1. I think we should like we should go for this. Like capacity of length, capacity of I think it should like let's just submit. Yeah, it worked. Hello bro, hello. Oh, no current viewers. Whoa. Find the smallest balanced index. You are given an integer array nums. An index I is balanced if sum of elements strictly to the left of I equals the product of element strictly to the right of I. If there are no elements on the left, the sum is considered 0. Similarly, if there are no elements at the right, the product is considered as 1. Return an integer denoting the smallest balance. If no balance in it, okay. तो मैं सम एक तरफ से निकाल देता हूँ. रिटर्न इंटीजर डिटोनिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट बैलेंस इंडेक्स. इफ नो बैलेंस इंडेक्स रिटर्न. तो एक तरफ से बस मैं सम ले लेता हूँ. लाइक इसके लिए फॉर द इस साइड का सम इज लाइक 0. इसके लिए इज लाइक int sum equals 0. ठीक है. वेक्टर int left ठीक है. Then like I want vector int RIGST and product equals 1, cool, sum equals 0, product equals 1. Now for x, for int x and nums, we do left dot push back this like sum, and then we do sum plus equals x. So like for this we got 0, ठीक है. Then 2 is added. For this we got 2, for this we got 3, ठीक है. And the same thing we would do is like just reverse, like reverse nums not begin nums, or why can't I just for I equals nums says minus 1 is equal to 0 I plus plus, ठीक है. So RIGST right not push back, right dot push back this product, and then P equals nums of I, ठीक है. तो पहले 2 के लिए आएगा, 2 के लिए पुश हो जाएगा, 1 के लिए. Now once this is done, what I need to return an integer denoting this one balance. Now for anti I equals 0, I is less than nums dot say I plus plus if left of I equals right of I, then return I, else return minus 1. Long 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 क्या है 10^5 unsigned int how do we do only fix the long what should I use? Hello guys, welcome to the live. Hello, welcome to the live stream. I just need to like, what should I like pick? Okay, like we can pick double of P. Okay. l- any other way. Okay, int underscore int 128. Can we uh, like we can do double? That's what they are telling us. We can do double long s, and then this is double, and this is double double, and then we are p dot nums of I. Everything is fine. P plus log of, oh my god, log of nums I कर रहे हैं. Okay, so p this plus. I mean the logic is good. You need to fix the overflow thing, because it's getting overflowed, and I just need to check if the log left of I equals log of right of I. So I not changing the logic that I have done. I'm just changing the integer flow. So it still says we have a long then p double p. How? How am I? What I'm doing wrong? Long as double is okay. Sorry. So this zero, and vector long left, vector double right, and then a for right dot push back p, and p plus log of num psi, then dot size log of, oh, log of left. I could have used n28. It's wasting my time. Ah my god, still it's not working. Let's just change to 128. Let's just change this 128, then we have 128, and then we do p star only. Let's remove this, and then what do we just match? How? Do I need to one ll ka problem है? Is that what? Why it's wasting my time? Seriously. Okay, so like okay, so reverse of rhest, right, dot begin say, but just not right dot end. My still this initialization. How do we solve this? Oh my god, ये कैसे fix करूँ मैं? How do I anyone from the chats? कैसे? If I nums dot size -1 while I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. So we got like output में 0, then getting 0, and then we like getting 0. आउटपुट में 0 0 कैसे आ रहा है? How many people have already solved it? 6,000 probably. So like -1, then I'm getting like 2, then I'm like getting, but इसके लिए -1 क्यों आ रहा? long s equals 0 int equals 1. Okay, so I need to like change this only. इसको I have to change int like this thing. Yeah, and after this it should work like 1. Let's just submit and see. Mark is mark. Why I got a runtime error. Anything else? Let me just get the constraints right. So n long vector long sum equals 0. Then we have double long prod w o u double double p equals like, then we have like 0, then we have also like n equals nums dot size, and then like we have like vector long left size n, then right of size n. ठीक है, vector long and like vector du double, and then we have like left of I for like int equals 0, I is less than, and I plus plus, and we do like left of I equals s, and then we do this look like n minus I always do I minus I, right of I equals p, cool, and then p is like plus equals log of nums of I, then we like to reverse, and then from I equals 0, just do like log of left of I. Nums of I. पहले में 1, दूसरे में -1 एंड तीसरे में -1. पहले में 1, दूसरे में गलत आ रहा है. More people are able to like n -1 so right is on line with the indexes. Oh, so I don't need to reverse now. Yeah, like -1, 1 -1. So I don't need it's less than. No. If left of I equals 0. अरे भाई साहब. What this guy is doing, I don't know. And then like we do like if FABS fabs of right of I is less than 1 E minus 9. ठीक है, return E as fabs of log of left I minus minus right I 2 1 0. But mine is if this condition ठीक है left of I is greater than 0 and then fabs of log of left of I. Like, let's submit. Oh my god. Like, we did it on like 7660. This like shittiest code. Like, shittiest code. Oh my god. I had like 4 people watching live. And um, who said am I copying? I'm copying. Seriously. How am I? How am I copying? I wrote all of this. Fuck you, bro. Kailash. I don't care, bhai. I don't care. I'm not. Like, I did copy the thing which I am not. Which I don't know. You are giving a string as consisting of lowercase letters. You can select any substring of s that is not entirely a string and sort it as an ascending alphabetical order. You are given a string. Who the fuck says copying? Check my submissions, bro. You are giving a string s consisting of lowercase English letters. In one operation, you can select any substring of s. You're given substring string as in one operation, you can select any substring of s. You are given a string s consisting of lowercase English letters. Okay. In one operation, you can select any substring of s that is not the entire string and sort it in ascending order. In ascending order. What the fuck? Like, seriously. Hello, guys. Welcome to the live stream. And we are right now on like third question. And I don't understand the question itself. You are giving a string as consisting of lowercase English letters. In one operation, you can select any substring of s. That is not the entire string and sort it. Okay, so you like can like select this and then sort it and select this, but you cannot like the entire thing cannot be selected and sorted, right? That's the game. uh what should I like, how should I do it? Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. We are on question number 3. You are giving a string consisting of lower how many things. Like, I have 1 hour for this question, and the fourth minimum cost to partition a binary string. Like, only from the question, I think I should not attempt it. Yeah. You are given a string as consisting of lowercase English letters in one operation. You can select any substring of s. That is not the entire. So the entire point of the this question is not selecting the entire. Like I can select the entire string and then I can like sort it. But that would which I can't basically do. So I need to minimum number of yeah. Okay. So maybe like card may I can like we have four numbers. How can we like the maximum anything like the maximum number of tries would be two because if I can like sort no it's not necessary like type anything let's type anything random and let's return like yeah. Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. We are on question number 3. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along and tell me if you have solved this question or not. If you have already solved this question, like for this, the output is 0. What does it say? No. Okay, it does not give me like. Okay. So for this card, can there be a like a string for which this output is 3? ACRD. Sort of string RD. And they're like ACDR. Thus the answer is 2. Makes sense. So how are we going to solve it? Minimum number of operations we are going. Is this a greedy problem? Is this a greedy problem? I don't know. Like, let's go for card only. CARD. Okay. I found C. C इधर रहने देते हैं. Then I found A. Which is like smaller. Then can I do a sorting thing? Yeah, I can do a sorting thing. Then I got like R. So I cannot pick like D entirely. So maybe we would first like sort A, C, and then we would go like R. Till now everything is like perfect. Okay. And then we like got D. Oh, okay. So let's say we this is E. In that case, it would be like A E. Then we have like R, and then when D comes in, it would take one sorting to put just A here. My confusion is if something is like greater than D at this position, how I don't know how will it come, but greedily हो तो जाएगा. अगर मैंने इधर का सॉर्ट कर दिया the moment I'm finding something like bigger, I'll just sort. And then we would have like E A R may A E R it would A E and then we got R which is like fine. Then we got D. The moment we got D, we need to sort. Okay, let's change this to something like E F, sorry, FERD, right? Then we can like do like EF, then we got R, then we got like D. The moment we got D is like, let's sort this. But E should come like here. Right. We cannot sort this entire thing, which is like FRD. So it becomes DFR. Still E is the problem. So like we need to sort this again. So it would become DEFR. So I think greedily it will not happen for sure. क्या सोचना पड़ेगा भाई, क्या सोचूं मैं, please someone could help. Like, guys, welcome to the live stream. Please interact. Like, if you guys are watching the live stream, I am sorry I cannot interact much because I'm trying to focus how to solve this. My rank is like 4,000. I solved this question pretty early. People, like, I was the second question was pretty easy by the logic, but you need to understand you need to handle the uh, product, because the when you are like doing product into something, it becomes very long. Even the long cannot handle. So you need like some kind of logging in there. You just do the log of things, I guess. You got like 42 bits. No one is watching continuously. You're giving us consistently. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं इतना तो सॉर्ट कर दूंगा, नो मैटर व्हाट। मेरे पास कोई भी नंबर है, लेट्स से सी, यही ले लो, FERD। मैं बोलूँ मैं यहाँ तक सॉर्ट कर दूंगा, FER, so it would become like EFRD, and then if मुझे पता है यहाँ तक ये सॉर्टेड है, ठीक है। अब मेरे को बस देखना है कि यहाँ तक सॉर्ट करके इफ डी इज लाइक ग्रेटर देन ये, ठीक है। How would you like put D in there? DFR. जो छोटा होगा उस साइड से, लाइक डी छोटा है तो डी के साइड से इधर तक यू विल लाइक मूव। तो FERD, this would become FDER, and then you will like do A. So this would become like one swapping, and then there is a second swapping. Which would like, no, this could be an issue ना। अगर ये R जो है वो छोटा है, लेट्स से DE, ये R है, मान लो इट्स लाइक REFD। तो तुमने बोला कि दिस वन इज छोटा, तो ये पूरा सॉर्ट कर देता हूँ। दिस वुड बिकम RDEF, and then you have like can like do this, but this does not send it back to like F. There's something else. There's something else I need to think about this question. Uh Please someone, if someone could help. Minimum operations to sort a string. In one operation, you can one operation you can comedian Max. Cool. In one operation, you can select any substring that is not the entire sub. What's the time complexity? 10 to the power 5. So DP would not work. It's not DP. It's a single pass algorithm. Ah. So what are you saying? You're saying is like either you solve from like given a string s, ठीक है, this, and like sort this entire thing, or you can sort like this entire thing, because you cannot sort like this entire thing, right? अगर इस sorting के बाद this after this sorting, if the string is like sorted, this is the question by the way for the guys who are new to the live stream, and um please drop your thoughts about this question. This question is like fucking hard. By the way, guys, my rating is like 4710. I'm gonna get a good increment if this goes like well. Let's leave. So uh I need to do this question. Like 44 minutes left. I need to do this question. Where were we? Yeah. So like if this is the substring or many like I can either sort here, I can either sort here. And if this makes this string sorted, so I can simply return 1. Cool. If not, then after sorting this part, let's say this is the string. After sorting this part, what would happen? सबसे बड़ा यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, would be the max. और क्या हो सकता है यहाँ पे 2 केस है, इस मैक्स से बड़ा हो कोई, यहाँ पे 2 केस है, someone is bigger, whereas max is someone is smaller. If someone is smaller, and maybe the smallest, 3 cases, smaller and smallest. अगर बिगर है, नॉट एन इशू. इफ स्मॉलर है, देन वी कैन लाइक सॉर्ट लास्ट वन वाला हटा के इधर से यहाँ पे आ जाएगा स्मॉलर. इट कैन बी लाइक स्मॉलेस्ट ऑल्सो. तो स्मॉलर है तो कोई बात ही नहीं है, स्मॉलेस्ट है तो कोई बात नहीं है. ओके. एंड इफ दिस इज लाइक स्मॉलर, then the problem, how do I shift the smallest to this position? If someone is like standing here at the last position as the smallest, how can I shift this guy to here? This would take like, first I would, after sorting this part, if some, like, the question is card में, you after sorting this part you get A, C, R and then D. Now R से अगर ये बड़ा है, then you don't need sorting. R से अगर ये छोटा है, but it is also like greater than A, then also like you can do one more sorting this way, and then this would become valid. Cool. Yeah. And then the third one is like, if this is the smallest, let's say this is B, this is B, and this is let's say A. So C, B, R, A. In that case, it would become B, C, R, A. This is already sorted. And now I need to shift A somehow here. So पहला sorting लगा इस part पे, CBR, which becomes BCR. And now the next step will be, one sorting takes this, and the other one would be like, if I can push this guy to here, it's smaller than A. CARD A. If this guy is the smallest, then I need to first like swap. ये तो सबसे बड़ा हो जाएगा ना फॉर श्योर, ये तो इतना सॉर्ट करने के बाद. और ये अगर स्मॉलेस्ट है, देन आई कैन स्वैप these guys, and then I can again swap the entire thing. So it would take 3. So no one watches my live stream, guys. What I would do is like int n equals s dot size. ठीक है. I would do like int count equals 0. ठीक है. If s equals if is sorted return count. If not, then take the dog case, DOG. I can like sort this, so it will like DO only, and then we have G. Now G is smaller than O but greater than D, which means I can like do one more sorting kind of this. I don't think this logic would go well. I don't think this logic would go well. I don't think. Should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What's the fourth question? Is this some kind of. It's like in 10 to the power 5. It's like some kind of DP, I assume. Some kind of DP for sure. I'm not like entirely satisfied with my. How do we solve this question? Then let's sort the S dot begin से लेके S dot end. ठीक है. String original original string is S. ठीक है. If S is like sorted, okay. If this is the case, then what we can do? We can either sort S dot begin, S dot end -1, and then like check the same thing, because like we did like count plus plus one step. We can like pass 0. इसके बाद सॉर्ट हो गया, राइट. अगर पूरा सॉर्टेड है देन वी आर रिटर्निंग 0. अगर मेरे को दिस पार्ट लाइक शुरू से लेके लास्ट के एक पहले तक सॉर्ट करके सॉर्टेड देन रिटर्न 1. ठीक है. If this is also not the case, then x equals org s पहले, then we'll sort the ऐसा, like sort of s dot begin +1 s dot end तक, and then again if sorted. Let's say this did not work. We make this string as the original string and then we again sort. पर इसके बाद भी नहीं होता है. So we have two cases. If ये sort करके if s of 0 equal is less than, ठीक है, as if less than unique elements तो नहीं है, lower case letter, and also like contains, so contain like equal वाला case. If s is less than s dot back, then return ये else के केस में चला जाएगा. else के केस में I'll just check कि लास्ट वाला पोजीशन, जैसे मैंने ये पूरा सॉर्ट कर दिया तो आई जस्ट नीड टू चेक दिस वन, ठीक है. सिमिलरली इफ दिस डिड नॉट वर्क तो यहाँ पे आएगा एंड इट क्लिक सॉर्टेड द एंटायर थिंग फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट. नाउ इफ दिस इज लाइक स्मॉलर देन दिस, and we can like just return, I guess. If again like again we can do like s, if s dot 0, again the same like logic, and in else case we would be like checking for the last element. So now I think this is the, now when this happens I need to check. अब यहाँ पे 3 केसेस है, ठीक है. if s of s if s sorry if s dot back, if f is not less than, is not greater than the first element, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे 2 केस हो सकते हैं कि या तो ये इससे छोटा है, एस ऑफ 0 से बड़ा तो हो ही सकता है. नो, let me just get the int n equals dot size. What is the condition when like this is like, मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ तो बनाया था. हाँ, मैंने क्या करा, मैंने बोला ये वाला पार्ट पूरा सॉर्ट कर दूंगा, तो लास्ट एलिमेंट क्या हो सकता है अब. if the last element is greater than equal to this element, then like we can return -1 because everything else is sorted. So how much time left? 20. So if last element, which is like if s of n minus 2 is smaller than equals -1, let's say, is greater than equal to s of n minus 2. If this is the case, then I can just like, yeah, this is a valid thing and I can just return s dot begins से n, sorry, s dot begins से n minus 1. ठीक है, तो अगर लास्ट एलिमेंट जो है, if that this element is greater than or equal to the last element that we just sorted, this means कि this is a valid thing, we can just return 1. else case में आएगा. Now this is not the biggest element or equal to element this here, so that means it is less than like this element, it is less than this element, your x is less than y. ठीक है, else केस में. अब the problem is कि I know x is less than y, so if it is greater than, if it is greater than or equal to this z, I know x is smaller than y for sure, but if this x is greater than equal to this z, that means greater than equal to z, yeah, greater than equal to z, which that means I can just sort this part again, because sorting this part will bring it like here at its correct position, or in the worst case scenario, which is like अगर equal होता है तो we'll put it here. ठीक है, I know x is smaller than y, but if x is greater than equal to z, ठीक है, if s n minus 1, if x is greater than equal to your पहला element, that means we can return 2 here, because I'll do, I'll just sort this entire part. एक ग्रेटर हुआ तो भी सेट हो जाएगा इधर बीच में कहीं पे, और इक्वल हुआ तो भी सेट हो जाएगा. द क्वेश्चन इज कि अगर ये इफ एक्स, एल्स केस में क्या आ जाएगा कि एक्स इज स्मॉलर देन जेड. इन दैट केस, I need to first do this, because I know x is smaller than z, then I need to do this, क्योंकि इससे तो छोटा है ये for sure. I need to first put it in front and then maybe sort this part, so it's like 3. First put it in here. If x is smaller than z, then just put it in here, like sort the entire thing. यहाँ पे x आ जाएगा and x is still smaller than z, तो तुमको एक और लगेगा iteration to do this. So we have like 3 iterations else case में. Else return 3. ठीक है, let's take a count only. 0. ठीक है, if string is already sorted, let's just return the count. ठीक है, and and max because I want the minimum. So if already sorted, then return 0. If this is the case, then count equals minimum of count, and it's like 1. This is the case, like count. अगर कुछ नहीं बनता है तो फिर तो भाई ये करना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है. I guess बट क्या पता दूसरे तरफ से करके मेरे को और इजी हो जाए. क्या मतलब है उसका कि इस पूरे में I sorted this part. So this is look, this is like your x, this is like your y. ठीक है. This is, sorry, this is your x, this is your y, and this is like your z. At max 3 iteration में तो सब कुछ सॉल्व हो जाएगा ना. I just need to check कि if something is solvable in 1 and 2 ways. So if this x is smaller than or equal to y, ठीक है, s of 0 is smaller than or equal to s of 1, then I can like do this कि भाई आफ्टर सॉर्टिंग इतना पार्ट मैक्स तो चला ही जाएगा इधर, और यहाँ पे मिनिमम आ जाएगा, और ये मिनिमम है या तो उससे छोटा है. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. इफ एस इज लेस देन और टू 1, ठीक है, मिनिमम 1 लेंथ होगा. 1 लेंथ पे विल जस्ट रिटर्न 0. ठीक है. एल्स केस में क्या है, इफ x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू y, तो x is greater than less than equal to y, then it's like valid. It's like greater than y. If it is greater than y, तो हम अंदर आएंगे. If x is like, थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा, like x is greater than y, छोटा है इससे या इक्वल है तो विजन greater than y, तो now I need to check if it is less than or equal to z. Now if x is less than or equal to z, that means I can do this sorting and it will be fine. So if x is like less than equal to z, now if x is else so 0, if this is greater than equal to if x is less than equal to z, तो this sorting would help. So if s of 0 is less than equal to s of n minus 1, then I can like do ये. Else I guess ये सब करने के बाद भी if, ठीक है, कुछ लिखा है क्या? कुछ सॉर्टेड नहीं होगा? कैन लाइक इट कैन बी सॉर्ट. I can like, if counting is like, oh my god, like 6 people watched this. Return -1 maybe. Let's just test. If counting is so like, let's say I do like put ABC, what will happen? It gives me it's like the question now, which is all, which if something is already sorted, I do like sorted. उसके लिए तो कर दूंगा for and I equals 1 से लेके I equals 1 से लेके I is less than start says I plus plus if at any point s of I, ठीक है, is less greater than s of if already sorted. Bool is sorted, which takes a string s and then it does this if at any point Oh, find the previous one to be greater than s. I just return false, I guess, and then like can return then return true. Like if is sorted as if true, then return 0. ABC के केस में 0, but still I need to like do this shit. Should I fuck my ranking? Oh my god, I got like 142 views. Wow. But uh, what should I do? Is this like if I'm not going to submit if already sorted return 0. ये लूप ही नहीं चलेगा उसके लिए फॉल्स का भी जाएगा इंटू भी जाएगा सिंगल हैंडेड यहाँ पर एक चीज़ ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड single element already handle s size equals to length string. अगर ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड होगा तो ऊपर से चला जाएगा. If s of 0 is greater than s of 1, then just return fucking -1. Like this cannot sort this. Let's just return the count, I guess. If s dot if n equals to and if दो एलिमेंट है तो अगर वो ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है लाइक जी एफ होता एफ जी होता तो ये सिंगल है. सॉर्टेड it handles what? पहला sorted array, second single element, Silly for every len. Just need to check if two length string is unsorted. Two length handle if two length string is one sorted. Handles if two length string is unsorted, because अगर sorted है तो इसमें आ जाएगा सिंगल एलिमेंट के लिए भी इट विल बी वैलिड ट्रू, डबल के लिए भी इट विल चेक एंड देन रिटर्न ट्रू, एंड सॉर्टेड के लिए ओनली केस वुड बी लाइक वेयर things go wrong, which is like gf. So if you cannot solve the entire thing, so and if you like three elements get more than three elements, do we have a chance? A, like C, B, A. At first, like do this, like it will become B, C, and then A. Cool. So like then I can like do B, A, C, and then I can like do again sort this like A, B, C. I think this is the like solution. This is like solution to my problem. BAC says 1 only. Oh, let's see. I want like CBA. I have like written the logic, but I'm not sure if I should go for it or no. My rank is like still like 7. I think I should go without caring for the rank. Should I? I'll lose like this rank is like pretty good, and this would come like go on enter and up. Let's check. Am I getting plus or what? Because I also have a like also have a penalty, so let's just check. I'm going to get like plus 20, so which is like good. 6916 rank पे, which is not my rank. So 1000 rank कम है, इतना थोड़ी होगा. Plus 20 तो I'm not going to get anyway. Is this guy giving these? No, this it's not. What should I do? What should I do? Should I submit? Should I submit? Should I take the risk? What is your lead code profile? It's like Mr. Swaroop, you can check here, bro. Like, do you solve like have you solved this third question? And if yes, then tell me if my logic is correct and I should solve or like I should submit or not, because it's giving correct answer for all the cases, and my ranking is like 8108. So if I submit this and I don't have time to fix it, and I'll get a penalty for sure, and my rank would decrease for sure. Like I'm good. How much I'm gonna get? It's not updating my ranking though. Yeah, but so basically, if I submit this and the solution is wrong, then definitely I'm going to get less of what I'm going to get without solving, without submitting it. So I think we can wait for 3 more minutes, or I can take the risk and submit it. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Should I like submit it or should I not? This is my profile, bro, Mr. Swaroop. You can check it out. What's your? Submit. Bro, I'm like pretty nervous about this solution because this is a like I'm trying to handle all the test cases. Any string can be like rank does not matter. Yeah, bro, it does not. It does not. I'm very nervous. It does not, but let me show you like my profile. Just look at this. Like here I got like 1648 the max rating on 1st Feb, and like the entire month has like this is March. I'm just losing my rank from the last 1 month. So that's why I don't want to submit. Maybe not. We'll submit this after this contest ends because I'm nervous. I don't want to lose my rating, and my what's the rating right now? It's like 8,300. So within 1 minute, I guess few people will submit more, and after removing the like cheaters, I might like get 8,000, and then like 8,000 may I'll definitely get the increase in the lead code rating because from the last two contests, bro, I was getting a rank of like 12,000 or 13,000. So yeah, if you want to like if you want an increase, you should get a rank of at least like within 10,000. That's how you are going to grow your lead code rating. That's what I know as far as like I know, because as you can see I have not solved that much questions, like only 155 questions. So yeah, actively giving contests, but still I should like I'll submit it after 50 seconds. Bro, this guy is like pretty cool. Rank does not matter. Yeah, it does not, but you can't say anything about it. My guy is live. Mm, 3 by 4 done. Oh, nice, cool, bro. Cool. Please, what's your like ID? Tell me. And I want to see the solution of this third question. What's your ID? Vedans 4577. I assume it is Vedans 4577. Nah, man, it's not that. Like, let me now try this solution. By the way, let's first check the rankings. Like, I got 8,481, which is like, bro, what the fuck is this? Like, is this your code or something? You got 8 in the beginning, right? Oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously? Crazy, bro. You are going to get like plus 55. Crazy. What's the solution like? Wait. And just. By the way, this is not my main account. What's your main account then, bro? What's your main account? Like, let's check for the solution. Like, is the solution good or not? Because the like contest is over, so I can probably go here and then After cheaters are removed, I guess I'll get a ranking of 8,000 and then it will give me a good plus or so. But yeah, nice, nice. You started from, yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Oh my god. What is this, bro? What is this? Like, what has happened in the last contest? Why didn't you solve any? I think like this is by mistake. Maybe you have registered for the contest and you did not appear. I guess this is the case. By the way, minimum operations to sort a string. Yeah, I want to see the solution for this. Don't say that my solution is like. Before that, I would like to like check if my solution works. So yeah, let's go to contest. It should work because past contests. This one. Let's check the ranking first. Like lead code should optimize itself, guys. What is this? What is this? Why are your servers crashing? I don't know. They are making like hell lot of money from the subscriptions and all. Still, yeah. Let's check the ranking first. So we got like 85555. Let's check it on the internet hub. Past contest. View details. Mr. Swaroop. Still like here my rating is still 6916. So I'm not going to get plus 20. Maybe I'll get like yeah, it was a mess up on my side. Yeah, I can see. So maybe I would get like plus 15 or so. So let's check the solution then. It was this question, right? Oh my god, this contest was like pretty easy. The second question was like very irritating somehow. Oh, I am seriously, I'm able to like pass all the. It's all about the test cases. I'm gonna get an error for sure. It's not going to. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? I should have submitted it, bro. Where's that guy who said rank does not matter? Yeah. Yeah, bro. I should have submitted it. Crazy. Fuck it, bhai. Fuck lead code. Fuck everything. I could have like भाई plus 30 वट्टी हो जाता मेरा rank. Why didn't you sub? Because I was nervous, bro. Because I was nervous. I thought this cannot work. Like I just brute forced everything, every single thing. Like single element, double element if possible, then all of this thing. Like I was able to get the edge cases like only three answers are like four answers are possible. Minus one, one, zero, two, and three. Like five answers were no zero, one, two, three, and yeah, five answers were possible, which I was able to grasp. But it's fine. It's not about the contest anymore. As per this guy, which is like gaming Nita E98. I should have submitted this. Lol, what the worst could have happened? Minus 10. You got minus 10? Or I got minus 10? I got minus 10. Seriously. No, I got plus 15. You got minus 10, seriously? You cannot. You cannot, bro. You had like 58 too. Who you are talking about? I don't know. You are going to get plus 50, bro. Yeah, let's check your solution. Discuss solution list. This question, right? No, I'm just saying if you submitted and it was wrong. Yeah, yeah. Like that's what like that's what confidence is, which I had not. I'm like, and this is like one of the worst question like solutions. People have like submitted worst. Oh my god, check minimum operations and then yeah, check one, check one, check one. My god. This check one is like, oh my god, sorting from begin to end, like, some kind of shit going on here. I don't know. I could have like submitted it, but yeah, it's just digest whatever I got from this uh, contest. You eventually did it. That's what matters, I guess. Yeah, it does. It does. But what you get in reward is like the rating, which I will not. But yeah, at least I'm not going to get any like negative rating because if you can see, uh, where's my wait lead code slash from last 2 3 contests, I'm just going negative like from 40 38 I like 31 then like 48. This was good, like from 48 then I went to like 30, then from 30 I went to like 27, and then from 27, seriously, from 27 to 27 it's an increase. So yeah, so from 48 to 27 like I lost almost 20. What is like 37 minus 28? Oh, sorry, 48. Okay, I got from 40, like this was like 48. 48 minus 27. So it's close to like 48 minus 27. Oh, I don't want to do this math after this contest. It's just 21. I'm not going to get 21 for sure. I'm not going to get 21 for sure. Like it would be like some plus 14, 18 and all. That was it for like today's contest. We were able to solve two questions. We were able to actually solve three questions, but I did not submit the third question. Just take a note. Yeah, it does. But I'm not that good in DSA, right? I'm just starting out and I'm not that good in DSA, so it's very hard for me to get a good rating like plus 50 or plus 40 in a single contest. So yeah. Oh, we did like 3 out of 4, and in which I did not submit three. So yeah, we did 2 out of 4, and I guess I'm happy about it. What year are you in, bro? I'm in job right now. From 1 year, like from last 1 year, I'm in job. I completed my bachelor's in 2024. Just a minute. Okay, cool. What are you in? I'm in my. I'm like doing job from last 1 year, and now I want to switch. So that's why I've started doing DSA and all. DSA system design, oops and all. So yeah. Now I think I have to go, and I have to go to some place. So we need to end this live stream. Please hit the subscribe button and go. Damn third year. How the job market? Job market is pretty bad, even for like experienced person. Like I'm submitting my resumes and all, and I've not actively started like looking for the jobs, but as far as I heard hear from the other people, it's like pretty bad. Even experienced ones are not getting good switches. So yeah, but yeah, you can always like if you are from a good college, then you can always like join a company and then grow from there. So yeah, that's what I would say. You can keep working and eventually you will land a job. Yeah. Okay. So so I think now let's end this stream. Please hit the subscribe button so that we can meet again, and we'll be meeting like the next week has two contest bi-weekly and weekly. So yeah, I'm hoping to do better in those. Okay, good luck. Yeah, good luck to you too, bro, for your like college and job. Okay, I'll see you in the next contest or live stream.